Hi, you are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be dealing with addition and subtraction of a fraction. When dealing with addition and subtraction of fraction, there are two methods in which you can use to solve it. And in today's class, we'll be using the two methods to solve our questions or our examples. Now we'll be starting with this example on the board. The question says 3 number 1 over 8 plus 4 number 1 over 2 plus 1 number 3 over 4. If you look at the fractions we have on the board, they are all mixed fractions. What are mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a fraction that has whole number part and fraction part. So to use the first method, on the whole number for this fraction is 3, the whole number for this fraction is 4, the whole number for this fraction is 1. You bring it out. 3 plus, you write a sign in between plus, only the whole number plus 4, then plus 1. Now once you have done that, you now put the fraction part inside the bracket. The fraction part for the first fraction is 1 over 8. Then the fraction part for the second one is 1 over 2. The fraction part for the third one is 3 over 4. So once you have done this, what's the next step? The next step now is that we're going to have the whole number part, which is 3 plus 4 is what? That's 7. 7 plus 4, that will be 8. Once you have written that, you now go to the fraction part, the fractions you have in the bracket. Then you can see that we have 1 over 8 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. What's the next thing? The next thing is that you find the LCM of 8, 2, and 4. And when you find the LCM, you don't know how to solve for the LCM of numbers. You can check my channel, you can check this channel, you see a lot of videos I've done on how to find lowest common multiple. So you want to look for LCM of 8, 2, and 4. You just do 8, 2, 4. Once you have done that, you start with a common factor, the least common factor. That's 2. 2 can go in 8, 4. 2 can go in 2, 1. 2 in 4, that'll be 2. 2 can still go. 2 is a factor of 4, 2. You leave the 1. 2 is a factor of 2, 1. So 2 into 1. Then you go again. 2 into 1. So it's 1, 1, 1. So you focus on this and you store. When you get to 1, 1, 1. What is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So our LCM is 8. So you start with the first fraction here, which is 1 by 8. This denominator, you use the denominator to divide this. That is, how many 8 can you see in it? That'll be 1. Then you use to multiply your numerator, which is 1. Then plus 2 in 8, we are dealing with this fraction, and 2 in 8, that will be 4 times 1 plus, then 4 in 8, that will be, then we 4 in 8, that will be 2, then you multiply with the numerator. The 8 here, the 8, close the bracket, sort out the numerator. The numerator, what is 1 times 1? 1 times 1 is 1 plus, what is 4 times 1? That will be 4 plus, what is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. Can you see? So you now write 8. Now what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6. That will be what? That will be 11. So you have 8 whole number 11 over 8. But if you look at this 8 can go in 11. Yes, this 8 can go in 11. How many times? 8 will go in 11. 1, remainder 3. 8 will go in 11 one times and remainder 2. You see this one, you add it to this one. So this will now be 8 plus 1, that will be 9. Then the remainder will be 3 over 8. So that's our final answer. Our final answer is now number 3 over 8. Let's use the second method. Convert all your fractions to improper fraction. I will leave you now to convert your mixed fraction to improper fraction. Use your denominator to multiply the whole number. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1. Then you add your numerator. That will be 25 over 8. Can you see it? Plus 2 times 4. We are trying to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 8 plus 1. That will be 9 over 2 plus this. That will be 4 times 12. 4 plus 8. That will be 7 over 4. Now, once you have done this, what's the next thing? The next thing is that you look for your LCM, which you have done when we're using the first method. So the LCM of 8, 2, and 4 is 8. So you have to say 8 in 8. We are starting with this now. How many 8 can you see in it? 1. Then you use to multiply your numerator, which is 25, plus 2 in 8, that will be 4. Then you have 4 times the numerator, which is 9, plus how many 4 can you see in it? 4 in 8, that will be 2 times 7. Once you have done that, so we continue. What is 1 times 25? 1 times 25 is 25. Then plus, what is 4 times 9? 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. What is 4 times 9? We are going to 6 there. Plus 2 times 7. What is 2 times 7? 2 times 7 is 14 over 8. So we are going to add all our numerator, the numbers that we have as our numerator, we are going to add it together. We have 24 plus 36. What is 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5 is what? 11. Right one, people. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, that will be 6. Then add the 14 to it. Add the 14 to it. That will be 1 plus 4. That will be 5. 6 plus 1. That will be 7. So we are 25 times 6 plus 14 will give you what? 75 based on the calculation we just did. So that will be 75 over 8. So how many 8 can you see in 75? Do you know that 8 times 9 is 72? 72. And if you remove 72 from 75, you have what? 3 over 8. Can you see that way? Arrive at the same answer, which is 9 over 3 over 8. So irrespective of whether you are using the first method or the second method, we are still going to have what? We are still going to have the same answer. So we'll be solving the subtraction of fractions. First step, we're using the first method now. Pick out the whole number, which is 8 minus 2 minus 1. Put the fraction part inside the bracket. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6 minus 3 over 4. Now, what's 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 is what? 6. And 6 minus 1 will be 5. Then inside the bracket, you can just find the LCM of 3, 6, and 4. What's the LCM of 3, 6, and 4? That is, remember that 3, 6, and 4 can divide that remainder. I will start with 2 here because 2 is a factor of 6 and 4. So around 3, 2 is a factor of 3. 2 is 6, that will be 3. 2 in 4, that will be 2. So you can still go, you still have your 3, you still have your 3, you have your 1, then 3. Then you have your 1, 1, 1. So the LCM of 3, 6, and 4 is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So the LCM of 3, 6, and 4 is 12. So you write to 12 here. Now, how many 3 can you see in 12? That will be 4. 4 times 1 minus 6 in 12. 6 in 12 is 2 times 1. That is usually 2 to multiply the numerator minus 4 in 12. That will be what? 3. 3 times 3. So what do we do now? We say that our 5. This 5. And we're having the numerator. What is 4 times 1? That will be 4 minus. What is 2 times 1? 2. Then what is 3 times 3? That will be minus 9. Now, if you look at the question, you look at where we are on the board, you can see 4 minus 2. I can just move on. Alright, 5. Look at this one. What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2, right? Then you have 2. 4 minus 2, 2 minus 9. Now, if you look at this, borrow 1. We take 1 from this whole number. When we take 1 from this one, this 1 to 4. The one I will borrow will be here. 1 plus 2 minus 9 or 12. So what we did was that, now in order not to have the negative value, we borrow 1 from 5. And the 1 is here. So the 5 has come to 4. So what you do is this. Just find the LCM of 1 and 12. And that will be 12. So 1 and 12. 12 times 1, that will be 12. So it will be 12 plus 2. 12 is 12, 1. Then you multiply everything. You still have 12, 2 minus 9. So that will be 4. Now, 12 plus 2 is what? 12 plus 2 is 14. Then what is 14 minus 9? 14 minus 9 is what? 5. So our final answer is 4 number 5 over 12. I mean 4 number 5 over 12. What if you use the other method? Change out each of the fraction. This fraction to the fraction might be 3 times say 24 plus 1. I have 25 over 3. Minus 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1. That will be 13 over 6 minus 4 times 1, 4 plus 3. That will be 7 over 4. We have solved for our LCM when we're using the first method. The LCM of 3, 6, and 4 is 12, right? So 3 in 12, that will be 4. 3 in 12, 4. So that will be 4 times 25 minus 6 in 12. 6 in 12 is 2. That will be 2 times 13 minus 4 in 12, 3. That will be 3 times 7. Can you see it? So what is 4 times 25? 4 times 25 will be 100. 4 times 25 will be 100. What is 2 times 13? 2 times 13 will be 26. You put your minus. What is 3 times 7? 3 times 7 will be 21. 3 times 7 will be 21. So what's the next thing? We're going to subtract from 100. We remove our 26 now. So you borrow 1, this one will be 9, this one will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 2, that will be 7. Remember, I'm going to remove 21 from it. So 4 minus 1, that will be 3. 7 minus 2, that will be 5. So final answer is 53 over 12. 53 over 12. Now, how many 12 can you see in 53? That will be 4. 12 times 4 is what? That will be 48. Then we remove the 48 from 53 to get our remainder. We borrow 1, 4. This one will be 13. So what is 13 minus 8? 13 minus 8 is 5. So the remainder here, 12 in 53 will be 4. Remainder 5 over 12. Remainder 5 over what? Over 12. So that's how to solve the subtraction of fraction. 15 whole number 5 over 9 minus 4 whole number 2 over 3 plus 7 whole number 1 over 2. How will you solve it? You can use any of the method. You are using the first method that you print out the whole number, but be careful with the sign. This will be 15 minus 4 plus 7. Then inside the bracket, the fraction part of this one is 5 over 9. Then it will be minus 2 over 3, the fraction part. Then plus 1 over 2. Once you have done that, you come back to this. What is 15 minus 4? 15 minus 4 is what? 11. 11 plus 7, that will be 18. 11 plus 7, that will be 18. Now, you now look for the LCM of 9, 3, and 2. What is the LCM of 9, 3, and 2? You can just use the 9, 3, 2. What is our LCM? 2 is a factor of 2, so you can use 2. 9, 2 is a factor of 9. Or 2 into that will be 1. Then use your 3. 3 in 9, 3. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 1. You don't need to write, there's still 1. Then you have 3. That will be 1. So 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. So our LCM for 9, 3, and 2 is 18. So you have 9, 18 now. That will be 2. So you use your 2 to multiply your 5 minus 3 is 18. That will be what? That will be 6. 3 and 18, that will be 6 times what? Times 2 plus 2 in 18. 2 in 18, that will be 9. 9 times 1. Once you have written that, the next step is what? You try to what? To sort it out, which is 18. Then, if you look at the one inside bracket, especially the numerator, 2 times 5 is what? 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 1, 6 times 2, that will be 12. Then what is 9 times 1? That will be 9. Now, if you look at this now, I can rearrange my numerator because if I asked 10 minus 12, it's going to give us a negative value of 2. So I can just rearrange it in order to make our work simpler by writing 10. This 10. Now, instead of writing 12, now no, I will bring this one to the front by writing plus 9. Then I will take minus 12 to the back. So this should make us make our work easier. So we have 18. What is 10 plus 9? 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 minus 12, that will be 7 over 18. So our final answer is 18 whole number, 7 over 18. So we can also use the second method to solve it. I encourage that you use the second method to solve to solve the questions and see if you are going to have 18 whole number, 7 over 18. So we have come to the end of today's class. We are here to subscribe to this channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.